be showing you how to do the slip stitch back loop only border on a Tunisian crochet project. A while back I shared it on Instagram and everyone loved how it looked. It was for a special design for hobby that I designed. Today I'm using my Furls 8mm crochet hook, the Carousel Special Edition, and Wander yarn in mahogany, and I will link to it in the description. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically what we're going to be doing is working into the back loops of the V's all around the finished Tunisian crochet project. So let's start by slip stitching into the corner. So basically what we're doing is I'm just going to do a slip knot into the corner here. And since we're doing a slip stitch, we want to keep your tension loose so that your project doesn't pucker up. So what we're doing is we're going to go into that back V here, the back loop, and pull up a loop and slip stitch. Again, find the next one. We're going to go into the back loop and do a slip stitch. Find the back loop, pull up a loop, and pull through. And we're just gonna do that all the way across. I'm doing it very loosely so that we can keep the shape of the finished project. And you want to use a hook size larger than what you worked your project in, so that it's easier. So I'm gonna just pull through, and then I'm gonna pull through that, and then again you're just gonna go in, pull through loosely, and even when you reach the corner just keep going. I didn't do anything different. It's a little bit rounded, but kind of like that. But if you want it more square, you could probably work 2 back loops slip stitches into that one corner stitch. Then we're gonna go in again, just gonna keep going around, going through the back loop, pulling up a loop, and then we're just gonna slip stitch all the way around. And I love how it looks, it's so pretty. And I think it gives a nice finishing touch to your project. So I'm just gonna go and do that all the way across. Sometimes it's hard to find the V. Might have to pull here a little. So I'm gonna go through. Oh, I think it's here. Pulled it up here. I'm just gonna go through, and then we're gonna find along the edges. You're gonna have to turn your work a little bit to see the V's. And you're gonna go into that back loop of that V. Can be a little hard to find, but once you get into the rhythm, it'll be really easy. So again, go into the back, pull up a loop. Again, you'll see these V's. You're gonna go into the back, pull up a loop. Just continue doing that all the way around. Then pull up a loop, and then pull up a loop, and again at the corner, and then the next round. Remember to go through the back loops and go all the way around. And almost at the end. And then once we get to that slip knot, we're just gonna slip stitch into it to finish our border. And that's it. There you have it. This is what slip stitch into the back loop only is gonna look like. It's really nice. I love the finishing it gives. And that's pretty much it. Super simple to work up and gives a nice little border. These became a little tighter than I had intended, but make sure to keep your tension loose. And that's what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the honeycomb stitch, which I'll also link to. You can click the eye above if you want to check out how to do the honeycomb stitch. All right, thanks for watching.